Hi, are you looking to make a dessert that will impress your friends? This is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I've learned along the way. And today we're going to make pumpkin creme brulee. So what you'll need is, you need 2 cups of heavy cream, you'll need 3 egg yolks, you'll need a tablespoon of vanilla extract, you'll need a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, you'll need half a cup of sugar, and also 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree. So first, we are going to take our heavy cream, we're gonna put it in a pan, we're going to heat it up. And next, we're going to take our egg yolks and our sugar, our vanilla extract, our pumpkin puree, and our pumpkin seasoning. We are going to mix this. So you have the mixture like so. And now we are waiting for our heavy cream to come to a boil. Okay, so our cream came to a boil, but before we add it to our egg yolks, first we want to take a towel and wrap it around our bowl. It's a little tip I learned. So it holds the bowl in place when you mix it. It's going to make it easier for you. Next, we are going to temper our heavy cream into our egg mixture. So you want to do a little bit at a time because we don't want scrambled eggs. So, nope. Okay, wipe up the little mess. Okay, we have the mixture here. So what we're going to do is, I have 3 ramekins right here and a large cake pan or a roasting pan you could add. So I'm going to take our mixture and I'm going to pour them into the ramekins. Okay, I'm going to place it in the cake pan, like so. And now, we're going to take the water and we're going to fill it up. So, it's going to give a nice ice bath, or not a water bath, I'm sorry. And we're going to take our parchment paper, we're going to put it on top. And we're going to take our foil and put it on top of our parchment paper, like so. And we're going to put it in our oven that's at 325, and we're going to have it in there for 40 minutes. Okay, now we're just waiting for it to cook. Okay, so our creme brulee is almost done. If you want, you tap it a little bit and it moves like jello like this, well then Actually, it is done. So we're gonna take it out and let it rest for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in our refrigerator to cool off for 2 hours. Okay, our creme brulee has been in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, and now it's cooled down, and now the fun part. We're gonna add sugar in the raw to it, on top of it. So what I like to do is actually shake it all the way around so you have an even coating. Now take your torch. Now we torch it. And there you go. This is our pumpkin creme brulee. Now, if you like seeing content like this, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and it's your turn. Thank you.